EGC is or scrubber gas analyzer. So ang gas analyzer mao ni siya capable nga mo measure and mo analyze both CO2 SO2 and CO2 in seconds. Its high speed response times amounts to more precise, higher resolutions monitoring than conventional sampling analyzers. In addition, the analyzer determines real time the state of exhaust gases after washing. Thus, it optimizes the soak scrubber's pump's operation based on alkali content in wash water. This leads to improved fuel economy and reduced operating cost. So, ang gas analyzer mao ni siya mo measure and mo analyze kung ang ato ang scrubber is na-maintain na to ang regulasyon or pasok ta sa regulasyon na 0.5% sulfur content in global area.